Good day everyone. Today I share about Micronesia. It's a region in the Pacific with a small island and it's super rich in the culture and history. Let's get to know more about it. What is Micronesia? Micronesia is a group of small islands in the Pacific Ocean. As in, micro talaga. Kaya nga Micronesia. 'Di ba? Galing siya sa Greek word na meaning small islands. It is located sa west side ng Pacific Ocean. Tapos kasama doon ang mga countries like FSM, Palau, and Marshall Islands. Some parts of Kiribati rin and US territories like Guam and Northern Mariana Islands. Yung culture nila is super island talaga. People there are good in fishing, sailing, and they really value tradition. Like may deep connection sila with the ocean. They speak different native languages, pero English is also widely used, lalo na in government and schools. Moving on, let's take a look at FSM, a key parts of Micronesian region, a federated state of Micronesia. Federated State of Micronesia, FSM. So, the Federated State of Micronesia, or FSM, is the cool independent country in the Western Pacific. It's made up four states: Yap, Chuuk, Pohnpei, and Kosrae. The weather is tropical, so expect lots of beaches, corals, and mangroves. Their motto is peace, unity, liberty, which is pretty aspiring. The capital city is Palikir. Also, their flag is light blue with four white stars in a diamond shape. Each star represents one of the four states. The blue colors stand for the Pacific Ocean. They use the US dollar as their currency. For the languages, English is the official, but they also speak Chuukese, Pompelan, Yapese, and Kosraean. Religion, whilst most people are Christian, but freedom of the region is respected. If you wanna fly there, United Airlines is the main carrier with an island hopper routes, stopping at different islands. Other airlines like Air Niugini and Nauru Airlines also go there. Now let's proceed in the food and delicacies. Food is super interesting, like pandanus, a staple fruit. Number 2, chicken kilaguen, their natural dish which is marinated with chicken with lemon, coconut, and pepper. And also, number 3, taro balls, a yummy dessert made from taro coconut. Yung taro po is gabi. Now, let's proceed sa tourist attraction of FSM. Una, Nanmadol, Asian Ruin and UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ito yung di taon na itong makaluma kasi 18th and 19th century ito na tayo. Tsaka hindi rin nila alam kung paano ito tinayo eh. Number 2 is the Dupdupnya Falls. For some waterfalls vibe. Maganda dito mag-picture kasi malamig. Maganda rin dito mag-outing. Kasi nga, maganda yung mga tourist spot. Kosrae Island, the smallest state and the volcanic island. Yap, famous for giant stone money. Tinawag itong giant stone money kasi ginagamit to bilang simbolo ng yaman at pamana. Now let's proceed sa festival. Yap Day, which celebrates Yapese culture with dance with crafts. And number 2, celebrate Micronesia Festival, showing arts, music, food, and more fun from all over Micronesia. Last, culture. FSM is really rich and diverse with a lot of tradition, arts, farming, and community events that bring people together. Let's moving forward. Let's talk about Kiribati, another island nation that's part of Micronesia region. Let's talk about Kiribati, another island nation that's part of the Micronesian region. Kiribati, pronounced Kiribati, a small island nation in the Central Pacific Ocean, made up of 33 islands, mostly atoll. Fun fact: Kiribati has the largest marine reserve in the South Pacific Ocean. Other name: before it was called the Gilbert Island or Gilbert and Ellice Island Colony. Tagline: their motto is Te Mauri, Te Raoy, Aute Tabamoa, which means health, peace, and prosperity. Very welcome. Their flag is a picture a sun, the ocean, and the flying frigate bird repping nature, peace, and freedom. Currency: they use both Kiribati dollar and the Australian dollar. Language: people speak Kiribati or also known Gilbertese and English. Religion: majority are Christian, mostly Catholic, but Kiribati supports freedom of religion since it is a secular country. Major airlines: main carrier is Air Kiribati, super local, super island vibes. And the next, the food and delicacies. Number 1, buah toro, a rich cake made from pumpkin or taro. Number 2, palasumi, their national dish made with coconut milk and taro leaves. Number 3, karebe, a palm wine drink from the coconut sap. FYI, boys are expected to learn how to climb coconut trees and collect toddy. Now let's proceed to the tourist attraction. Number 1, Tarawa, the capital history. Lovers will enjoy World War II relics here. Number 2, Kirimati, also called Christmas Island, the largest coral atoll in the world. Great for the bird watching and fishing. Number 3, Ambo Island, part of the South Tarawa, chill spot with the local vibes. Lastly, Makid Island, northernmost atoll of the Gilbert Island, very tropical and laid back. Now, let's proceed to Kiribati Festival. Number 1, Tarunga Cultural Festival. Celebrate Kiribati tradition with dance, music, and even sport. Number 2, Kiribati Canoe Festival. All about their seafaring heritage, boats, race, and local prides. And lastly, cultural. Kiribati values community, tradition, and the ocean life. People practice storytelling, dance, weaving, and canoe building. Family ties are strong and the respect for elders is important. Kiribati may be small, but it's full of culture, nature, and history, from peaceful island life to cool festival and unique food. It's definitely one of the hidden gems in the Pacific. That's it for my report. I have learned something new and interesting about Micronesia, especially about the Federated State of Micronesia and Kiribati. Their culture, food, and their island life are really unique and rich. Thank you for listening.